Hi, this is Glenn Bill, and we are here with the founder and volunteer of Timmy Global Health, Dr. Chuck Dietzen. Dr. Chuck, good to be with you today.
Good to see you.
Tell us about how Timmy Global Health started.
An important thing happened in December 1996. One of the residents I was working with wanted to go back to India. He had been a pastor in the past and then came back to medical school, and he said to me, you know, I realized people in India didn't need religion, they needed health care. So he said, do you know anyone who could help me set up a medical program in India? And I said, sure, I will. So through Dr. Joe Bergeron, got involved in the work with the Missionaries of Charity and the South India Church of Christ Mission. And because of that work and because of spending time with Mother Teresa, it was time to commit to a greater effort. And so in early 1997, Timmy Global Health was born.
So that had to be quite an experience to actually be in the presence of Mother. Tell us maybe the one or two greatest messages that you got from her.
It was the greatest moment in my life. When I met with her, it was such an informal process, and you really sensed like you were the focus of all of her energy at that time. What she said to us was this: never, never abandon your patients. Always be there to give them hope, particularly if we could not cure them.
As I understand it, you do lots of work with boomers at Timmy Global Health. Can you tell us how they integrate with what you do in your mission and how that's benefited Timmy Global?
One way to solve the disparities in healthcare with the way the business of healthcare is going in this country, couldn't we serve the underserved by bringing in high school students, college students, mentoring them with boomers, not just those who practice medicine, but who are business leaders, community leaders, and show them how they can change the world for the better and help them find their way. What should they commit their lives to? So that's how the whole Timmy organization got started, was to say, we welcome whatever gift you have. Please share it. Please mentor these young people so that they can also be a generation of world changers.
You've certainly learned not only from the boomers around the world, but boy, you've learned from the children who you serve. And this book, Pint-Sized Profits, what a fantastic book. I've read it. It's great. It's 12 lessons, I think, from what the children you've served. Talk a little bit about Pint-Sized Profits and what it's meant to you.
Having served as the medical director of pediatric hospice here in Indianapolis for 7 years in the past, having been a pediatric rehab doc for 26 years now, I'm at the bedside of some very critically ill children here and abroad, and I paid attention and I tried to learn from them. And there were these 12 principles that they taught me that were important to living a full life. And part of that was, as the subtitle says, these are inspirational moments that taught me we were all born to be healers. Yes. So once again, that question about boomers, of course, yes, you have the skills to heal. And that's what we try to do at Timmy, is invite you to share that with anyone and everyone that we come in contact with. We love to give you that opportunity.
That's fantastic. So one of my favorite quotes that you always say is, we're not all born to be doctors and nurses, but we all are born to be healers. So I want to thank you today for giving us that message. I want to challenge our viewers to engage with Timmy Global Health, engage in the community, not only for what the community will benefit, but how much it benefits you. And your message and your inspiration is great. So thank you so much, Dr. Chuck, for doing what you do, and we appreciate your time tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is Glenn Bill with Boomer TV.